Well, hello there, guys. I'm Christy, and welcome to my kitchen. So, on the menu for today, I'm making a roasted vegetable and hummus pita wrap. Now, I will be using my homemade pita bread for this, and I will give you the link to the video that shows you just how to make them. And also, I'll be using my homemade hummus, and I will give you the link to that as well. Now, if you have time to make either of these, it is well worth it. But listen, I understand if you need to use store-bought, that will work too. And this is loaded with vegetables, so it's a really nice, healthy option. We all need to incorporate more vegetables into our diet. I know I do, and this one is perfect. And it is also full of flavor and delicious. So I'm going to go over everything with you and show you just how to make it, but we've got to get started, guys, because it's that time to get cooking. All right, so I will be using a zucchini. Just cutting the ends off, and I'm going to cut it lengthwise. I'm just going to make some half moons. Next, I'm going to chop some red bell pepper. And then some red onion. And what I have here is a Roma tomato. And I'm just going to slice it up, but first I am going to remove the seeds. And then you will want the juice of about a half of a lemon. And about a tablespoon of olive oil. A good pinch of salt and black pepper. And then I have a teaspoon of oregano and a half of a teaspoon of dried thyme. And I almost forgot some garlic powder, and that was half of a teaspoon. Now I'm just going to dump these vegetables on a greased baking sheet that I have lined with aluminum foil, and I'm just spreading them out evenly. And then bake in a 400-degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. All right, guys, everything is ready. So now it's that time to make the wrap. So let me show you. All right, I'm gonna take a little bit of hummus, put in the center. Next, I'm gonna take some of this delicious roasted vegetables. Sprinkle on some feta. And then some fresh spinach. It is the moment I've been waiting for. That is so delicious. All right, guys, I hope that you give these delicious roasted vegetables, hummus pita wraps a try. I know that you will not be sorry. They are super delicious. All right, guys, well, thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.